Listen and repeat the names of the animals. Cow. Cow. This animal is a cow. And the plural of cow is cows. Horse. Horse. This animal is a horse. And the plural of horse is horses. Chicken. Chicken. This animal is a chicken. And the plural of chicken is chickens. Pig. Pig. This animal is a pig. And the plural of pig is pigs. Duck. Duck. This animal is a duck. And the plural of duck is ducks. Goose. Goose. This animal is a goose. And the plural of goose is geese. Sheep. Sheep. This animal is a sheep. And the plural of sheep is sheep. Donkey. Donkey. This animal is a donkey. And the plural of donkey is donkeys. Goat. Goat. This animal is a goat. And the plural of goat is goats. Turkey. Turkey. This animal is a turkey. And the plural of turkey is turkeys. Like this video, and subscribe to the channel to learn something new every day.